Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Just another quick message in case you missed it. The Toronto Pet Users Group will be presenting the World of Commodore 2024 version. It will be November 30th and December 1st of 2024. It will be at the Admiral Inn in Mississauga, Ontario, which is very close to Toronto. You can buy tickets online if you have things that you want to sell. You can get a vendor table. I just did this the other day. And yay, you know what? I mean, there's all kinds of different ways to pay online, but it let me use PayPal, and I like PayPal. So I did that. So I will be selling some things, including, but not limited to, books such as this. Isn't it lovely? Um, anyway, if you go to TPUG.CA, you can find details. They also have various other platforms that they have stuff on, but it will be great. And if you can come in person, even better. The Retro Rewind guys will be there. If you contact them, you can pick things up at the show and save the cost of shipping. Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel will be there. He'll have some pet companion boards, the last ones that he has made and that he will ever make. And they will be on sale. He's also doing a presentation on Sunday, I believe at 11 a.m., on fixing Super Pets and how he's created a manual to help other people fix Super Pets and use excuse me. So, we'll see you at the World of Commodore, November 1st. No. November the 30th and December the 1st of 2024. Go to tpug.ca for details. Bye for now.